Yanjiang Pinghai Aquatic Cold Storage and Supporting Facilities Refrigeration Project. The project is located in the high-tech zone, Yangjiang City, Guangdong Province. The customer is a frozen prepared food processing enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales. In order to meet the needs of market development, it was decided to invest in a new modern frozen food processing plant. After many comparisons, the final choice of CBFI. The total capacity of the cold storage project is about 6,500 tons, equipped with 1 high-temperature storage, 6 cold storage, 1 pre-cooling room, and 1 quick freezer. The low-temperature storage is -20 degrees C, -28 degrees C, and the wall of the cold storage is insulated by polyurethane spraying. The project adopts a high-efficiency and energy-saving Freon barrel pump liquid supply system. The temperature of each cold storage is automatically controlled, and the temperature of the storage room is automatically detected. There is also a temperature sensor on the refrigeration system pipeline, and the operator can monitor the temperature and pressure of the corresponding part of the refrigeration system in the control room of the computer room. 3 hot-dip galvanized evaporative condensers. CBFI, the best choice for 10,000 tons level cold storage.